Spending time with grandparents. Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I want to talk about something very special, spending time with grandparents. Grandparents have a unique place in our families. They have lived through many experiences, learned many lessons, and often have wonderful stories to tell. For many of us, grandparents are connected with warm memories, family traditions, delicious food, and lots of love. Whenever I spend time with my grandparents, I feel relaxed and happy. There is something special about sitting with them and simply talking. We don't always need to do anything exciting. Sometimes, just being together is enough. One of my favorite things to do is listen to their stories. Grandparents have stories about their childhood. They talk about the places where they grew up. They tell us about their school days. They remember old friends, family members, and important events from their lives. Some stories are funny, some are surprising, and some teach us important lessons. I enjoy hearing these stories because life was very different when they were young. There were no smartphones. There was no social media. There was no internet like we have today. People spent more time talking face to face. They walked to places. They wrote letters. They played outside. Listening to these stories helps me understand how much the world has changed. Of course, food is another wonderful part of spending time with grandparents. Many grandparents have special family recipes. They may cook a dish that reminds everyone of home. Sometimes they prepare a favorite meal just because they know someone in the family loves it. And somehow, food always tastes better when it is made with love. I also enjoy helping my grandparents with small things. Maybe I help them use a mobile phone. Maybe I show them how to use an app. Maybe I help carry something. Sometimes I simply sit with them and keep them company. These things may seem small, but they can mean a lot. Spending time with grandparents also teaches us patience. Sometimes they tell the same story more than once.
Sometimes they need more time to do something.
Sometimes they ask the same question again. Instead of becoming impatient, we can listen and understand. They have spent many years taking care of their families. Now it is our turn to give them some time and attention. Another thing I love is looking at old photographs with my grandparents. Old photographs can bring back so many memories. We may see people we have never met. We may see our parents when they were young. We may see our grandparents many years ago. And then the stories begin. Look at this picture. That was the house where I grew up. That was your mother when she was a child. Suddenly, one photograph becomes a whole conversation. Sometimes I also enjoy going for a walk with my grandparents. We don't have to walk very far. A short walk around the neighborhood can be enjoyable. We can talk about the weather, the people we see, or things happening in the community. The important thing is spending time together. Grandparents can also teach us many useful things. They can teach us how to cook. They can tell us how to save money. They can share advice about relationships and work. They can teach us family traditions. And sometimes they teach us simply through the way they live. Their experiences can help us understand life better. Of course, not everyone lives close to their grandparents. Some people have grandparents who live in another city or another country. But distance doesn't have to end the connection. A phone call can make a big difference. A video call can bring people closer. Even sending a simple message can show that you're thinking about them. Sometimes, we become so busy with our own lives that we forget to contact our grandparents. We think, I'll call them tomorrow. But tomorrow can easily become next week. And next week can become next month. That's why it's important to make time. We don't need to wait for a birthday or a special occasion. We can call them just to say hello. We can ask, how are you? We can ask about their day. We can listen to their stories. These simple conversations can make them feel loved and remembered. One thing I have learned is that time with grandparents is precious. We often don't realize how valuable these moments are until years later. A simple conversation, a family meal, a walk in the park, an old photograph. These ordinary moments can become some of our most important memories. So, if you are lucky enough to have grandparents in your life, spend time with them, listen to them, ask questions, learn about their lives,
Help them when you can.
and most importantly, let them know that you care. You may not remember every conversation you have with them, but you may remember the feeling of sitting beside them, listening to their stories, and knowing that you are loved. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. Do you spend time with your grandparents? What do you enjoy doing together? What is your favorite memory with your grandparents? What have your grandparents taught you? And how do you stay connected with them if they live far away? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Remember, our grandparents have stories, experiences, and memories that are worth listening to. Make time for them, appreciate them, and treasure the moments you share. Take care, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye.